Nexgrill Stainless 3-Burner, 720-0830 MN, roomy and affordable family grill. Nexgrill's 3-burner stainless model, ASIN 720-0830 MN/similar listings, packs a large cooking area, multiple hundreds of square inches when counting warming racks, foldable side shelves, and a robust BTU rating. Product pages list high combined BTUs across burners. Because the Nexgrill family contains many close variants, price and exact spec callouts depend on the SKU and seller. Check the live Amazon page for the exact price for the variant you want. For families who value surface area and straightforward grilling without premium prices, the Nexgrill approach usually wins on value. We share by links in description box. On the ground, the Nexgrill unit typically performs well for mixed needs, quick burger nights, burgers plus veggies, and larger weekend roasts. Customers often praise the cooking area and perceived value, while advising patience on assembly and occasional adjustments to burner alignment for best heat distribution. If your priority is feeding a crowd occasionally and not spending a small fortune on a built-in kitchen, the Nexgrill 3-burner Spectrum offers solid bang for the buck. We share by links in description box.